Alice Tax Pro here, and I am really excited to share with you a new service that has come out with BlueSpark. So BlueSpark is a firm that provides bookkeeping and tax support for businesses, and we just added a Ask an Accountant subscription, which is a monthly support package for business owners who are trying to do their bookkeeping and taxes themselves. It's also a monthly support package for bookkeepers and tax accountants that need a little bit of extra help. So instead of having to go to an accountant that charges a couple $100 an hour just to get a couple of questions answered, you can now subscribe to our monthly support package, $67 a month. So it's designed to be affordable for small businesses. And it allows you to access our accounting and tax knowledge base. So you can ask things like, what is an S corporation? How does it save you money? How does bookkeeping work in QuickBooks Online? Just QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop make more sense for me. Things that we can't cover are going to be questions about businesses that are operating outside of the US because we're a US based firm and we can't provide exact specifics for your scenarios without all the information. Right? So if you ask us, should I be taxed as an S corporation? We're going to say, here's how S corporation works. This is how it saves you money. Things that we consider are this, and this, and we'll let you make those decisions. So it's a great resource for business owners to have. We allow up to 10 questions a month, and it's $67 a month. So if you end up needing 4 questions answered instead of paying a couple $100 a month to have a meeting with an accountant, you get that same support for $67 a month. So this is really exciting. I'm excited to support businesses that are operating on a kind of DIY sort of level. I know there's a lot of you out there that just need a little bit of extra help sometimes. So this service is free. You can sign up right on our website. It is in our accounting services package where we just have all of our pricing here. If you have any questions, let me know.